How to clean artificial turf. Even though artificial turf never needs mowing, it still requires some maintenance. Pollen, pollution and outdoor debris coat the turf, making it dusty and dirty over time, not to mention occasional spills and animal-induced stains. Regular rinsing, washing and spot cleaning keep your turf in great shape. General cleaning. Rinse the turf off on a weekly basis to help keep dust and pollen at bay. Pick up twigs and stones, and use a lawn rake or broom to gather fallen leaves every few weeks, or as needed. Sweeping the turf also helps brush its fibers back up straight. Gentle treatment for minor spots. Treat slightly dirty areas with a mild, natural soap and water or equal parts water and white vinegar. Use a sponge mop soaked in the solution for a large area, or use a regular sponge to wipe down a small spot. You can use this same cleaning solution to give the entire turf a thorough cleaning every month or two. Just be sure to use a natural, eco-friendly soap. Rinse off any areas you've washed. Pet patrol. Deal with pet-based problems as soon as you spot them. Pick up solid waste with a bag or a designated scooper. Hose down urine and fecal areas after removing the feces to help keep odors at bay. Spray equal parts white vinegar and water over the area to help cleanse the turf and get rid of bacteria. Mold and fungus. If you live in a humid environment, mold, mildew or fungus may show up on the turf. Treat the spots with 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 10 parts water. Let it soak for 30 minutes or so, and then rinse the area off. Stubborn stains. Remove more stubborn stains, such as coffee, ketchup and mustard, using eco-friendly household cleaners, rinsing the areas thoroughly with water afterward. Stains such as ink or permanent marker may be removed by dabbing the spot with rubbing alcohol. Rinse the area thoroughly when you're done.